How's it going, everybody? My name is Carlton, and today I have somewhat of a treat for you. This is going to be an unboxing of a camera that I'm getting back from a repairman. And the repairman is probably someone that you guys know. It's actually Mr. Mark Hama. I sent out my Yashica T4 to him. It had issues with the shutter assembly. When you took a picture, the shutter assembly would move out like it was focusing, and it would just freeze there until you press the shutter button a handful of times, and then it would unstick. So I sent this out to him. Luckily enough, he was able to fix it. He was telling me that parts for the T4 are getting scarce. He was able to repair it. Funny story, I actually waited about 2 weeks before sending any emails asking the status of the repair. And when I finally sent the email about maybe 30 minutes later, my mailman showed up at the door with the camera. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this open real quick with my keys. And I believe Mr. Hama includes a warranty with all his cameras. Let's see. It's really nicely. So this is the invoice that I got back. Yashica T4 Super over the top, serial number. Let's see, this is what the problem was. When pressing the shutter button, the lens assembly, and looks like what was included was a complete CLA and check all functions. So let's go ahead and take a look. There it is, Yashica T4 Super weatherproof, complete CLA. Should work really well. Oh, looks like he bought me a new battery. Thank you. Yeah, everything sounds like it's working really well. Motor noise. And there you go, guys. It's just a quick video of Mr. Hama's services. I know he does a lot of Yashica TLRs, anything Yashica. I also know that he does do some cameras that aren't Yashicas, but you'll have to contact him through email. And I got a lot of when I was searching on the internet, I got a lot of mixed reviews of Mr. Hama. But if you're just really patient and you keep in touch with him through emails, and you ask him before you send the camera over to him, I think that his services are actually really good. I only waited about 2 weeks or so for this camera to come back, and I'm really happy with what he's done with it. Pretty sure I'm going to be able to use this for many years to come. I'm pretty confident in his skills. He was a Yashica technician for many years in Japan. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. I will include a link to Mr. Hama's website where you can get in touch with him. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.